Hello, my name is ESEOSA. I'm 6 years old. I'm going to show you how to make slime with glue. The other day I make slime with art glue, but today I'm going to make slime with glue. So this is Jack, this is Daddy, and this is Matty. I'm going to close my eye and pick which one I'm going to get. White glue, green glue, which one? I'm going to pick it. I take this. I'm going to open it and see what. Glue! I got white glue. I got white glue and I'm going to add my white glue into my bowl. Oh wait, before I add my white glue, I'm going to show you the paper. It's white glue. Then I'm going to add my glue inside my bowl. I'm going to make a giant slime. I think that is enough. Now I'm going to mix it all together with my spoon. I'm mixing it. And now I'm going to close my eye again and pick something else. What did I get? Glitter! Can you see? It's glitter. I'm going to add some glitter, a little bit. I like pink, it's my best color and it's so fine. I like pink, then I'm going to add a little bit more around and that is enough. Okay, and then I'm going to mix all together. And now I'm going to close my eye. One more time, I pick one I get. What do I get? Green glue. I got my green glue here. I got to open it and add it. Adding my green glue. I've added my green glue already. And now I'm going to mix all together. I'm going to add my atomator. A little bit. Ooh. The slime is getting more better. You have to be like, I'm going to make a big slime and it's getting like slime, only I'm going to make a green slime. It's getting like slime. You have to get like a ball like this. You can see. You have to get like green. I'm going to show you a little bit of it. Can you see? Like this. I'm going to show you a little bit, but it's so sticky. You should teach your children and like and subscribe. And now I'm going to bring it out, the slime. There's more inside, but I'm going to show you this one. You can see. I'm going to show you. Look at my slime. I made one big slime But you can make 2 more if you like. Because I got another one in here. You can see. Let me show you. I'm going to put everything here so that I can show you this slime. So that I can show you this slime, how it looks like. This is the other slime. That is inside. I'll now show you my beautiful green slime. Children, do it at home, please. I love you all a lot. Bye. And you can see how it looks like. It's getting like slime and make noise. Can you see how it stretch? And I can do some holes on it. I can do everything on it because slime. The only thing is because it sticks a little bit. But then it will not stick if I play with it more. Can you see how stretch? I'm going to show you this little one, how it stretch. Can you see how it stretch? I'm going to make some holes, some noise. You can see. Like and subscribe this video. I love you all.